Hello and welcome to West Country Wandering. Something different today. We're going to look at the Kingfisher Trail. If you have a look at the website, you can download a trail map. It's a fantastic arts trail of 22 wonderful Kingfisher sculptures which have been decorated by some of the most talented local artists in the Cotswold region for 2021. But hurry, it only runs for 3 more weeks. You can download the PDF and you can also download an app. There are 2 trails, a Severn Trail which starts in Chipping Camden, goes to Winchcombe, Cheltenham, Stonehouse, Stroud, little diversion into Slimbridge on the banks of the Severn down at Wickwar. There's also a Thames Trail which starts at Moulton Marsh, going through Stow-on-the-Wold, down through Bybury, down to Tetbury and Royal, Wootton, Bassett. There's also a 21st Kingfisher, the flying one, which swoops to a new location each fortnight, and a 22nd one which perches at Ilford Manor Gardens. Now we've seen one of these at Chipping Camden on Cotswold Way number 10, at the end of the Cotswold Way on the northerly section. There it is, beautiful looking bird, wonderful sculpture there. We've also seen on the Droitwich one the stunning blue Kingfisher on the northbound platform of Cheltenham Spa railway station, so if you're heading that way, why not have a look. What I'm going to show you now is one in Stonehouse, and it's dedicated to Greta Thunberg and climate change.